Today we are going to discuss about excavation permit. What could be the hazards and what precautions to be taken? Hazard number 1. Work started without proper authorization. Obtain approved excavation permit before work. Hazard number 2. Unknown underground utilities causing damage. Verify utility drawings and get clearance. Hazard number 3. Lack of risk assessment before excavation. Conduct proper hazard assessment. Hazard number 4. Untrained workers handling excavation tasks. Allow only trained and authorized workers. Hazard number 5. Failure to follow permit conditions. Follow all permit requirements and guidelines.